Okay, so we're gonna start with the in-cab. So when you start the in-cab, you gotta make sure that you start the truck. First, put on ignition. You wait a couple seconds. And then you start the truck. So we're gonna start with the dashboard. So you got your oil temperature gauge, it is working. You got your turbo gauge, it is working. Your oil pressure gauge, it is working. The coolant gauge, it is working. RPM, you're gonna give it a little race, it is working. Speedometer, I'll show you on the road. Fuel gauge, it is working. This one is our service gauge, it is operating properly. Primary, secondary gauge, you pump it twice, and also you're gonna say it is also operating properly. Then you're gonna say there is no dangerous light showing on the dashboard except for parking because my brakes are applied. Okay? Then you're gonna come forward, you're gonna come to your four ways. You're gonna say my four ways are working. Then you can go to your left right signals. You're gonna go left signal is working. Then you're gonna go right signal is working. Your steering. Now for the steering, you're gonna say the steering has no extra free play. It is set to my position. It responds fully to the left. When you turn completely to the left, you gotta look outside at the wheels and see if it's turning. Yes, it is. You gotta turn completely to the right. You look again. You say it's responding properly. Yes, it is. Then you can come to your defrosters. So you're gonna set to heat, set to deforest, and you're gonna check all the speeds. So you gotta check all the vents. You have 4 vents at the top. So you're gonna check each and every one of them. So we're gonna start with the first one, speed 1. You're gonna check the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. Yes, they are working. Then you're gonna go to the second one. You're gonna check again. Yes, they are working. Then you're gonna go to the third speed, check again. Yes, they are working. You're gonna go to the fourth one and check again. Yes, they are working. Then you're gonna start doing all the other settings as well. This is your face. You're gonna check the speeds again. Speed 1, you're gonna check all the vents. Get up and check on this side as well. Yes, they are working. Speed 2, you're gonna check again. Yes, they are working. Speed 3, same thing, check all of them again. Yes, they are working. And speed 4, you're gonna check all of them again. They are working. You're gonna close this to 0 again. Now you're gonna go to the next one, auto. You guys know what auto is. You can go to speed 1. You check all of them. Yes, they're working. Speed 2. Yep, they're all working. Speed 3. Yes, they are all working. And speed 4. Yes, they are all working. Then you go to this one. This is your face and your feet. Same thing. Check all the speeds. Speed 1. Yes, they are all working. You can check here as well. You go speed 2, I can check again from here and check the bottom right there. Yes, they are all working. Speed 3. Yep, they are all working. And speed 4. Yes, they are all working. Yep. Then you're gonna go to the next one. This is just for your feet. You're gonna go to speed 1. Check this side. Check that side. Yep, they're working. Speed 2. Again. Yep, they're working. Speed 3. Yep, yes, they're working. And speed 4. Yep. And yeah, they're working. Now, you're just gonna go to this one. This is for your windshield and for your feet. You gotta check the speed, speed 1. Check all the vents at the top. And you're gonna check the bottom ones, like I said, for feet. Yep, they're working. Speed 2. They're working. Yep. And speed 3. They're all working. And speed 4. They're all working. So, all speeds are working for all settings, which means our defroster heater and defroster is good. So, next we're gonna come on to our 7 mirrors. So in the truck we got 7 mirrors, so you can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the 7th one at the top. You're gonna say all 7 mirrors are present. There's no crack, no damage. My view is clear and they are set to my position. You're gonna come to your window glass. You're gonna say my window glass, no crack, no damage. They go up properly. You check the other side as well. They also go up properly. And then you're gonna say they go down properly. Okay, so we're gonna come to the windshield now. The windshield, no crack, no damage. You can see my view is clear. The rubber, no cut, no damage. The wiper blades, no crack, no damage. There's no missing blade. Then you're gonna check all the speed. So you're gonna go up. Speed 1, as you can see, they're working. Speed 2 is working, and speed 3 it is working. You're gonna turn on the washer fluid, and you say it is what has washer fluid. And there you can turn it off. Now you're gonna come to your driver's seat. So the driver's seat is set to my position. It's attached to the cab. You're gonna say it goes forward properly, and it goes backwards properly. It goes down properly. It goes up properly. Now you're gonna come to your seatbelt. Seatbelt, no crack, no cut, no damage. Locks properly. Unlocks properly. Locks properly. Unlocks properly. My tether belts, no crack, no damage. Attached to the cab. You have the same one here as well on the other side. Say the same line. Tether belts, no crack, no damage. Attached to the cab. Then you got your highway and city horn. So this is your city horn, you're gonna press it. City horn's working, highway horn is working. So that includes your in-cab. Okay, so we got 4 important documents, which are your CVR, insurance, your logbook, and your ownership. All these documents are located up here. They're all in there. You can pull them out, you can show them when you need to. 3 emergency equipments, which are our medical box, which is right here. And you got your 3 triangles, which is right at the back. And our last and final one is our fire extinguisher, or other people can say fire cylinder, which is located on the driver's side on the left side. Open the door here, you can see, take a look. Okay, so when you're done your in-cab inspection, they will ask you 2 questions. We're gonna cover up the heater deforest. So to do this question, you're gonna tell the examiner, I'm gonna set to heat, set to deforest, and I'm gonna check all the speed. Speed 1, you're gonna get up, you have 4 vents here, you're gonna check all of them are working. Speed 2, check again, they're all working. And speed 3, they're all working. Speed 4, they're all working. Then you bring to 0, and then you're gonna go to your next one. This is to your face. You're gonna go speed 1. Done the heater deforest question, you read the minor and the major. The minor would be control or system failure. It's a minor defect. For that reason, you would mention a logbook, call the operator, and you can still drive. For the major side, deforest fails to provide obstructed view through the windshield. It's a major defect. Mention a logbook, call the operator, and I cannot drive. So our next question, we're gonna be doing the driver's seat. So for this question, you're gonna say, the seat is attached to the cab, is set to my position, it goes forward properly, goes back properly, it goes down properly, and it goes up properly. You're gonna say, you're gonna come to your seat belt. The seat belt, no cut, no damage, locks properly, unlocked properly, locked properly, unlocked properly. You're gonna come to your tether belts now. Tether belts attached to the cab, no crack, no damage. You have another one on this side as well. Say the same line. The tether belts attached to the cab, no crack, no damage. So now we're just gonna list the minor and the major. So for the minor, you got C is damaged or fails to remain in set position. It's a major defect. Mention in logbook, call the operator, and I can still drive. Major defect, if this driver seat belt or tether belts is insecure, missing, or malfunctions. Major defect, mention in logbook, call the operator, and I cannot drive.